Welcome back to Reset, Relearn, Reprogram. This week's topic, Mastering Modern Automotive Technology, Essential Skills for Today's Repair Technicians. In today's rapidly evolving automotive industry, mastering modern automotive technology is crucial for repair technicians to excel in their careers. With advancements in vehicle systems, electronics, and diagnostic tools, staying up to date with the latest technology has become a necessity. In today's video, we will explore the essential skills that repair technicians need to develop in order to thrive in the ever-changing world of automotive repair. Stay current with industry trends and updates. As an automotive repair technician, it's vital to keep a finger on the pulse of the industry. Stay updated with the latest vehicle models, emerging technologies, and advancements in diagnostic tools. Subscribe to industry publications, follow reputable automotive blogs, and attend seminars and workshops to ensure you are aware of the latest trends and updates in the field. Develop strong diagnostic skills. With modern vehicles becoming increasingly complex, having strong diagnostic skills is paramount. Invest time in understanding how different systems work together and how to effectively diagnose issues using your advanced diagnostic tools. Sharpen your problem-solving abilities, develop logical thinking, and stay patient when tackling challenging diagnostic scenarios. Embrace computer literacy. Modern vehicles heavily rely on computer systems, so having a solid foundation in computer literacy is essential. Familiarize yourself with vehicles' diagnostic software, programming tools, and data analysis platforms. Develop proficiency in reading and interpreting diagnostic trouble codes, understanding wiring diagrams, and utilizing service manuals. Continuous learning and professional development. To keep pace with technology advancements, never stop learning. Take advantage of manufacturer-sponsored training programs, enroll in automotive technology courses, or pursue industry certifications. By continuously upgrading your skills and knowledge, you'll enhance your value as a technician and open doors to new opportunities. Adaptability and flexibility. The automotive industry is evolving rapidly, with new technologies being introduced regularly. Embrace adaptability and be open to learning new systems and processes. Develop the ability to quickly adapt to changes and stay flexible in your approach to repairs. Effective communication and customer service. Technical skills alone are not enough to thrive in the industry. Effective communication and excellent customer service are equally important. Develop strong interpersonal skills to explain complex issues to customers in a clear and concise manner. Strive to build trust and establish long-term relationships with customers, which can lead to repeat business and referrals. As an automotive repair technician, mastering modern automotive technology is crucial to excel in today's rapidly evolving industry. By staying current with industry trends, developing strong diagnostic skills, embracing computer literacy, pursuing continuous learning, and honing your communication and customer service abilities, you will position yourself as a valuable asset in the automotive repair world. Remember, investing in your skills and staying ahead of the curve will not only help you thrive in your career, but also contribute to the success of the repair shop you work in. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.